Hi friends, welcome to the Quiz King. In this video, test your observation skills. Can you find the odd number and letters within given time? There are 3 levels: easy, medium, hard. Are you ready? Let's go! Hey, welcome back to the new video. Anybody can find 63 within given time? Come on viewers, you found it! Time is over! Wow, that's great! Boost your IQ level, find 2-8 within time! Come on genius, my question is very hard, but my viewers is very genius. Come on, time is up. Wow, amazing. Hey, are you focus master? Find 45 within time. Yes, my viewers is very focus master. Come on, time is over. Wow, excellent work. Spot the odd letter ER within time. Come on viewers, time is up. Wow, you are very genius. Hey genius, identify the odd number 80 within time. Come fast, viewers, you found it. Time is up. Test your eagle eyes, find 70 within time. Hey, you found it? Come on, time is up. Wow, you are legend. Spot the odd emoji within time. Hey, your eye level is perfect. Come on, time is over. Hey, check your brain, find H9 within time. Time is over. Wow, that's great. Hey viewers, come on, challenge your mind, find 5S within time. Come on genius, time is up. Hey viewers, come on, nobody can find 0P within given time. This is a very hard question. Come on viewers, time is up. Wow, that's great. Hey, are you smart? Find 03 within time. Come on, my legend viewers, you found it. Time is over. genius find the odd hand finger within time. Wow, amazing! Test your visual skills, find 64 within time. Wow, good job! Hey viewers, come on, next medium level. Hey, are you ready? Come on, challenge your IQ level, find 895 within given time. Come on viewers, you found it. Time is up. Wow, that's great. Hey viewers, test your eagle eyes within given time. Hey, are you genius? Find VTB within time. Come on viewers, enjoy this video. Wow, amazing! Check your brain, find 090 within time. Time is over. Hey, anybody can find within time. Wow, that's great! Hey, are you Focus Master? Find ERD within time! Come on, viewers, you found it! Time is over! Spot the odd emoji within given time. Woohoo! You got it! Hey genius, check your observation skills. Time is up. Wow, amazing! viewers, next hard level. Hey viewers, are you Focus Master? Find 2315 within time. Hey viewers, your sharp eyes, come on, time is over. Wow, good job. Test your visual skills within time. Anybody can find within 15 seconds? Come fast, viewers! Time is over! within 15 seconds? Come on, my legend viewers, you found it! Time is over! Wow, your eagle eyes! Please like and subscribe my channel. Do not forget to share your score in the comment box.